Have you ever wondered what the difference is between an insurance agent and an insurance broker? Spoiler alert, there is a difference, and it matters more than you think. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what separates an insurance broker from an insurance agent, how it affects your Medicare options, and most importantly, how to make sure you're getting the advice that actually works for you, not just their paycheck. Hello, my name is Edwin John Rodriguez, your licensed health insurance representative. And on this channel, we discuss all things health insurance with a focus on Medicare and ACA plans. Since 2007, I've had the privilege of helping thousands of clients understand, compare, and enroll their plans that fit their needs and goals. The best part is using me doesn't change your cost or your options. My help is completely free. I'm paid by the insurance company you choose to enroll with, and my compensation is standardized by the federal government, so our conversations stay transparent and unbiased. I often tell my clients I'm the best free help that you'll never pay for. Now let's get into it. Let's keep this simple, super simple. One sentence at a time. Agent, broker, two different job roles. And knowing the difference could save you time, stress, and even money. So what's the real difference? First, we have insurance agents. An insurance agent typically works for one insurance company. Think of them as an employee or a rep of that company. Here in Florida, Florida Blue is a perfect example. Yes, the insurance agent is licensed, but they're contracted to sell their company's products only. So when you sit down with an agent, you're only hearing about one company's plans. Even if there might be a better fit elsewhere, they can't legally offer you other plans that they don't represent. In my professional opinion, being biased or limited by your options isn't the best way to serve clients. Now, in comparison, there are insurance brokers, like my team and I may say. A broker is independent. We're licensed with multiple insurance carriers in many markets, and often all of them. We don't work for an insurance company, we work for you. When I help my clients, I'm not limited to one set of plans or companies. I get to compare options across the entire board, apples to apples. Who are your doctors? What are your medications? And then assuming all things are equal, we look for the most cost-effective plan. We use those details as a compass in helping you shop for coverage that truly represents you. All of it matters, and a broker has the freedom to find a plan that fits you, not their quota. How do you know all of this, you may ask? Well, when I first started in the insurance industry back in 2007, I worked as an agent for a specific company. The company wanted me to fit the client to the plan rather than fitting the plan to the client. I quickly realized that the best way to truly represent my client's needs was to be a broker. And although I enjoyed my time at that company, I knew that I would be able to best serve my clients as a broker, and here we are today. Now let's recap. Agent works for a company. Broker works for you. Agent works from one menu. Brokers work with a whole buffet of options. Agents may try to fit you into their product. Brokers fit products to you. Why this matters for Medicare. When you're choosing a Medicare plan, especially if you're turning 65, you're entering a world with dozens of carriers, hundreds of plans, and a mountain of mailers, robocalls, and pressures. It's overwhelming, I get it. A broker can help simplify everything. We check if your doctors are in network, we look up your drug costs, we compare Medicare Advantage, supplement plans, prescription drug plans, all side by side. And once you've got the right fit, we help you enroll for free. So now you know the difference between a broker and an agent really does make the difference when it comes to choosing the right plan for you. If this video has been helpful, go ahead and give it a like. It really helps other people find this content. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. If you have questions that weren't answered in today's video, please drop them in the comment section below. I personally read every one. If you're still weighing your options or want some expert guidance, you can also schedule a free call using the link in the description below. We'd be honored to walk you through it. No pressure, no sales pitch, just honest, clear help. If you got value from this video, consider watching this one next. You're going to love it. Until then, take care.